Students watching and boys and girls in our classroom, we're ready to begin our phonics lesson. Now, right in front of you, you should have your phonics worksheet, your cover sheet, and your pencil, and we're just about ready to go. Remember, we'll do each section together. Listen to every single part, and then be ready to write neatly your very best work. Let's begin. Go ahead and take your cover sheet and make sure your cover sheet is above the number 1. Number 1 says, write the blend your teacher says. Write the blend your teacher says. Box 1, eyes. Write the blend thra. Thra. So neat, Tanner. Looks good, Benjamin. Good. Kobe's being really careful with his writing. All right, let's put your finger at box 2, eyes. Scry. Scry. Now put your finger at box 3, eyes. Po. Po. Now let's move to box 4, eyes. Quay. Quay. So neat, Aslan. Now put your finger on box 5, eyes. Snuh. Snuh. Love how Hayden is taking just a moment to check back over her blends. Good use of time, Hayden. Now let's take our cover sheet and put your cover sheet above the number 2. Number 2 says, write the special sound in the word your teacher says. Write the special sound in the word your teacher says. Box 1, eyes. W in white. W in white. Now let's go to box 2, eyes. In gnat. In gnat. Great work. Very neat, Aria. Love how you're taking your time. Good thinking. Good. Put your finger on box 3, eyes. In smaller. In smaller. Now put your finger on box 5, eyes. Snuh. Snuh. Love how Hayden is taking just a moment to check back over her blends. Good use of time, Hayden. Now let's take our cover sheet and put your cover sheet above the number 2. Number 2 says, write the special sound in the word your teacher says. Write the special sound in the word your teacher says. Box 1, eyes. W in white. W in white. Now let's go to box 2, eyes. In gnat. In gnat. Great work. Very neat, Aria. Love how you're taking your time. Good thinking. Good. Put your finger on box 3, eyes. In smaller. In smaller. Looks neat. Put your finger on box 4, eyes. E in sleepy. E in sleepy. Now put your finger on box 5, Ice. N in golden. N in golden. Benjamin's taking just a moment to check over those special sounds. Good use of time, Benjamin. Now let's take our cover sheet and put your cover sheet above the number 3. Number 3 says, listen to the word your teacher says. Then write the number of syllables. So listen very carefully. Put your finger on the very first word. Write the number of syllables in the word peaches. Peaches. Write it at the blank right next to the word. Right, let's put our finger on the second word with the second blank. How many syllables in the word fork? Fork. Now put your finger on the last word and let's write the number of syllables in this word. Tomato. Tomato. Now let's take our cover sheet and cover all the way down to our number 4 section. Number 4 says, write the spelling word your teacher says. Write the spelling word your teacher says. Row 1, box 1, eyes. Write the word thank. We should thank God for his many blessings. Thank. Now put your finger on row 1, box 2, eyes. Write the word honk. Dad will honk the horn of the car. Honk. Now let's go to row 1, box 3, eyes. Write the word drink. Would you like a drink of ice cold water? Drink. Now cover up just that first row of the spelling words we wrote, and let's look at just our bottom row. So row 2, box 1, eyes. Write the word where. Where are you going after school? Where? Let's go now to row 2, box 2, eyes. Write the word king. The king had a golden crown on his head. King. We're ready now for row 2, box 3, eyes. Write the word sang. We sang about the love of God. Sang. Now let's take our cover sheets, turn our cover sheets into tents, and check every section of this worksheet. All right, go ahead and take your pencils and slip it inside of your workstations. Students watching in just a moment, you're going to have a chance to read a row of words to your on-site teacher. Remember to read quickly, but also carefully. When it's not your turn to read, then you can continue to work on your seat work. You may begin.